Hi. Thanks for stopping by to witness our great comeback. Well, not be that great actually. Still, thanks for stopping by to see this short video where I will guide you through what we have done in the past several months, even though we have been very silent online, and give you a short preview of what will be happening in the next several months. First of all, thanks for sticking around all this time. We've been away due to some private obligations. However, we haven't been sleeping completely. In the meantime, we've managed to gather, to update our equipment for recording the videos. You can witness this because our brand new camera is recording me as I speak right now. We have this whole new set for lighting. Still not using it, but eventually, very soon enough, we will. We have prepared some new projects, including one that will solve the problem of powering our nanoboards. We have another measurement equipment experiment that we will be showing off soon, hopefully after finishing the individual nanoboards videos. So one of them is almost ready and will be online soon for the first board, and then we'll soon enough we'll do for the rest of the nanoboards. So thanks for watching, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you'll get a chance to hang out soon more. Thanks, see you.